Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to derive the formula for a plus b bracket multiplied by a minus b bracket. Means we are going to derive the formula for a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, friends, you may be wondered. In our previous videos, we derived the formula for a plus b square into a minus b square. So we were deriving a formula for squares, but in this video, why are we deriving a formula such that there is not a square of any term like that? Okay, but friends, if you will observe it carefully, there is certain relationship between those formulas and this formula. Let us see how. We derive a formula for a plus b bracket square, right? So what is the meaning of this a plus b bracket square? It is nothing but a plus b multiplied by a plus b, right? Here also two brackets are multiplying, here also two brackets are multiplying. Second formula was a minus b bracket square, and the meaning of it is squaring a number means multiplying to itself two times. So meaning of it is a minus b into a minus b, right? So previous formulas were such kind of formula, right? Now if you will observe this formula, see one thing. In this formula there are two terms, a plus b. In this formula also there are two terms, a minus b. But symbol between the both of the terms is same. Here symbol of plus, here is also symbol of plus, means two terms are same, a and b, and symbol between both of the terms is also same, plus in first formula and minus in second formula. But the difference in third formula is here are also two terms, a plus b and a and b and a and b, two terms are there, but the symbol between two terms in both of the brackets is different. In first bracket symbol of plus is there, and in second bracket symbol of minus is there. So that is the major difference between these two formulas, a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square, and the new formula which we are learning today, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now let's derive it. A plus b into a minus b is equals to, we know how to multiply a bracket. Multiplying two brackets means multiplying each and every term in the second bracket, means multiplying second bracket by each and every term in the first bracket. So we will multiply this second bracket by first term, that is a. So a multiplied by a minus b, right? Now we will multiply second bracket by second term in the first bracket. So that is second term is plus b multiplied by a minus b. Clear, friends? We know how to multiply a bracket by a term. In this case, what we have to do? We have to multiply each and every term in the bracket by the term outside of the bracket. So we will multiply a by b and a by a and a by minus b. A multiplied by a, answer is a square. Clear? A multiplied by b, answer is ab. But one number is plus, one is minus. So answer is minus. So answer is minus ab. Clear up to this? Now plus b multiplied by plus a, both terms are plus, hence answer is also plus. B into a, ba. Clear up to this? Now b multiplied by minus b, plus b multiplied by minus b, b into b, b square, plus minus minus, hence answer is minus b square. Now all brackets are resolved. There is not any symbol of multiplication or division, hence we can do addition subtraction based on their symbols, and addition subtraction is possible only in like terms. So let's arrange the like terms. First term is a square, there is not any like term for that a square, so a square is alone, and unlike we will write it as it is. Clear, friends? Next is minus ab. After that plus ba. This BA and AB are like terms, because BA means B multiplied by A, which eventually we can say A multiplied by B, right? So BA is nothing but AB. We can write it as plus AB minus B square. Okay, hence we arranged the like terms. Now let us do their addition or subtraction. See, minus AB and plus AB, these two are like terms. So either addition is subtraction or possible or subtraction is possible between these two terms. Symbol of both of the terms are different. Hence we have to do subtraction. Okay, how to do subtraction? Let's subtract their coefficient. Coefficient of minus AB is minus 1. Coefficient of plus AB is plus 1. Means coefficients are 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is equals to A square. 0 doesn't has any symbol, so you can either give plus or minus 0. 0 into AB minus B square. Now 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0, which eventually equals to A square plus or minus 0 minus B square. Adding or subtracting 0 in any value doesn't change the value. So finally A square minus B square will be as it is, because addition or subtraction of 0 will not change this A square minus B square. Hence this is our final answer, because both of the terms are unlike. So A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. This is how we derive the formula for A plus B into A minus B. Okay friends.